In this Canva tutorial, let's take a look at how to add bleed here on the Canva mobile app. So to add bleed around your design so that the printer can be able to cut off your design and things can run off the edge is pretty easy. You go up here to the top where there's 3 dots, and then you're going to go down to Settings. Inside of Settings, you should see Show Print Bleed. Go ahead and tap on that, and that's going to add bleed around your design. Now, it could be a little bit hard to see, so you might want to zoom in a little bit if you can. And then the other thing you'll want to do is make sure that your imagery goes off the edge of your design size and over the bleed, so that when it's cut off, it actually goes to the edge if you want it to go all the way to the edge of your design. So that's sort of a common practice. Make sure elements that should go off the edge of the page, if it's being printed, go outside of the bleed as well. And any background that you have, if it's not just a background color, make sure that goes to the edge and there's no white space. That's how you can show bleed here on the Canva mobile app.